How to comment a photo in TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to teach you on how you can exactly go ahead and comment a photo in TikTok. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to have the TikTok application installed on your device, and it must be in the latest version. Once you launch the application, make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now go to any post that you'd like to comment on. And once you find that post, go to its comment section that is in the right hand side of the screen between the like and favorites option. Tap on that. Now you will see the add comment box in the bottom. Tap on that and you will have 4 different options to mention someone, to add stickers or emojis, and there is a photo option and also a gift option. So you need to go ahead and tap on this photo option. Select any photo from your gallery that you'd like to add. After that, you can also add any text that you'd like to. And then tap on this arrow button that is highlighted in red color to send it in the comment section. And you'll be done. So that's it for this video. This is exactly how you can go ahead and comment a photo in TikTok application. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.